Why my bad bitches
I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be
High
down
volume,
bad, but
high
now
volume,
a bitch
high volume.
okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker, hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me, is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around, I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south, bad bitch, discreet shit, so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. Okay. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer.
You can fuck around and find. You cannot get better. You cannot do better. And you will regret it. Oh yeah, you gon' go through it. By yourself, by yourself, by yourself. That's my life. Dreaming it all before.
You Burning Man, can't you?
Hey, brother, how you doing?
Oh, Burning Man. I ain't ate in 2 weeks, brother.
2 weeks, kidding.
2 weeks?
Just 2.
Hey, it's been so long, brother, I forgot what food tastes like anymore.
Man, you know what? I wouldn't even worry about it.
No, why not?
Cause it still tastes the same.
Oh, you ain't dead weight, mother. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video will be a girl traveling in her 20s. Prepare with me to travel out the country. Traveling to Cartagena, Colombia. I'm excited. If you don't know by the actions. Get a little bit of a backstory. So, I live here. And I have to travel to here, which is 17,009 miles away. I live in the United States, located in North America, and Colombia is located South America. There is a money difference. They have, we got the US dollar, they got Colombian pesos. And from where I am, it is an hour, I think behind. I think it's an hour behind in time difference. Excited to travel to see like different cultures, others view this world. So let's get started with the prepping of this video. First things first, we're gonna go and get my hair done. So let's go on with that.
Bye, girl, shit. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he won't get a holler. Bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon' sit down and listen. Call him a trick and he won't get offended. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna holler. He know he giving his money to Megan. He know it's very expensive to date me. Tell him go put my name on that account, because when I need money, I ain't tryna wait. I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm on your ass, bitch, I'm in that new shit. You on that last year, bitch, I do pimp shit, oh, you on simp shit. Say you all about money, yeah, I'm on that cash.
You know how these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck.
What you do?
I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Maggie. This little thing is style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty and ghetto. Type of bitch that don't even say hello. And whenever we fuck, she be fucking me back. Put her in the headlock with my elbow. Now she done reversed. Got up on the dick and ride the shit like a Camaro.
I can't be fucked with, no. Oh, you can't touch this, hey. Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, hey. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, hey. He say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my bag, bitch, I'm I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year. Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit. Hey, they say you all about money. Yeah, I'm on that cash shit. Look, I don't be stressing by none of these niggas. When they be talking, I don't even listen. Telling me secrets, I probably forget it. But I'ma tune in when he say he gon' lick it. He told him send me a pay cause he miss me. I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these streets, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser.
Yeah, so I just got my hair done. Just got my hair done. Got my hair done. I still need to get my eyebrows and lashes. Eyebrows and my lashes done. I'm so tired, yo. But she did her thing. Period. So I got my hair done, nails done. Now I just need my lashes, my eyebrows, and then to pack. And I think that's it, y'all. So I'll see y'all next time. Hey guys. So I'm currently at the post office about to get my passport photo, so I'll take y'all with me. I still have to comb my hair. I got this mini brush. I'm about to pull in. My appointment is at 9:45. And right now, it is 9:19. I like to leave early so I can get ready. Finish getting ready in the car because your girl barely be on time. Y'all, I didn't even know if I wanted to get an Uber here because I am a passenger princess, but I made it. I got here on time. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put my rubber band on. Cause this is a quick leave, y'all. Y'all, we gonna be thinking of positive vibes. I'm lighting. We gonna be thinking of positive vibes because I had saw a thing, because I like to do my research. So I had saw a thing of a girl saying that people were being rude at the passport. Don't be rude to me, y'all. Be nice. Be nice. But y'all, I'm excited. With this passport, y'all know that means international flights. International. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in there, y'all. And let's see. Hopefully it's easy and hopefully I have all the documents too. So I just finished my passport. She took 2 photos. She let me keep one of them. Let me show y'all. Yeah, that's gonna be my stuff. But yeah, so I just got it finished. Now I'm finna go back home, give me something to eat, cause I'm hungry, but I got my passports. Oh, she didn't even tell me if I have something on me or not. But yeah, now I'm finna tell the people who's getting their passport behind me what to do. And yeah. And y'all, they kept my birth certificate. Then I got the expedition where it stays so I can get it faster because I have a trip coming up. So yeah.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run it, check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it home. I'ma snap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around and dumped. Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, ain't pick what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Hat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm a crib. Long live nip, all I know is hustle. Real street nigga, got this shit up off the muscle. All this jewelry on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a bridge, jumping out that motherfucker.
Cut the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Win Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
I be trying to do like aesthetically pack my video with me, but it never happens because I be having so much going on. First of all, I pack like the day or the night of. I don't know why I do that to myself. Or I like put all my stuff in one spot, but don't put it in my suitcase. But I'll show y'all the footage that I did get because this is a prepared.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches, I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that, I'll never make you feel like that. I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? but you cannot take love. Since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. But you cannot take love.
So I got my hair done, my nails done, my eyebrows done, and my toes done. I wanted to do my lashes, y'all, but it ended up being a natural bare face type vacation, so yeah. Flight was separated into two. I have to stop by on the first one in Miami, then we gotta go ahead to Columbia. And coming back, I have to go and stop in Fort Lauderdale, Florida for like 2 hours and then back to Atlanta. I've been to Fort Lauderdale before. I really enjoyed it, so I knew that this place was gonna be fun and nice. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
You can fuck around and find